company, we are the main transport for offshore workers, oil and gas workers from St. John's in Newfoundland, right on the east coast of Canada. We transport them off to, we've got about four rigs out there, and we transport them to and from there. That's our main primary. We've also got our search and rescue facility that is there to support our helicopters offshore, and are on standby, 24-hour standby to support that. They're also available should they be tasked and we are not got our own aircraft in the air. And if we do, we'll bring them back so that we don't have our concerns with our aircraft, and we'll go and do search and rescue missions. Yeah, so it started, we've always had a paper-based a process where we've got a binders for checklists for our emergency response team to follow in an emergency. We've got some kind of technology that will communicate via text as the emergencies has occurred, to engage the right people that way, and also some kind of alarms. And Bristow is a joint company of ours, and we know that they have engaged crisis control previously. I believe they've been with you for about 5 years.
Yeah.
So that was what drove us as well, was to try and find a better way of communicating and working together collaboratively in an efficient manner to expedite any emergency response efforts. Yeah, no, very much so. I'm the prime for the project, and so I've been learning the system. I've been setting up all our processes with it. We've got training underway. We haven't quite launched yet. We've got a lot of testing to do prior to that, but it's very positive so far with what I've seen, and the capability of crisis control is impressive. Yeah. Yeah, so our main focus is as an aviation incident. If we had one of our helicopters, in distress, we would launch an emergency response through crisis control, and that would engage the right people. And with all the built-in advantages of checklists, tasks, timelines, the control panel, that sort of thing, control center, monitoring, getting real-time updates from the different team members. That's the key focus for us. But we are going to build into events that could be just kind of your more everyday potential events. You could have a fire or for example, a flood or something like that we need to communicate quickly to members of our team. The opportunity as well for the ping system, where we can, for example, if someone's on the way to work and there's been a car accident on the highway, which is a main transport route for our employees, so that we're not all delayed, we can get a message out just to say, hey, avoid this area, and they can find alternative routes to try and get in on time, so we can keep business operations as near as expected. Yeah, no, very, very, very satisfied. I mean, Natasha's been excellent with regards to our full support, and we've also got Helen, who's been in the background, troubleshooting with us. I think it's been very, very positive, throughout. The response has been very timely, which is always nice. And, it's nice to see crisis control do listen to their customers and value the feedback, and are prepared to make the changes that are of value to the customers.